Good evening, folks. It's Glenn the Ball Chef. And if you walked up to just about anybody and asked them, do you like Brussels sprouts? They'd probably say, no, not much. But they've just never had them cooked correctly. So what I'm going to do is show you my time-tested recipe on exactly how to put some simple Brussels sprouts together that taste out of this world. And in doing such, it's a healthy recipe. I think you'll like it. So without any further ado, let's get this thing rolling. There's probably nothing more exciting than watching somebody cut up a bunch of vegetables. But let me tell you a little bit about Brussels sprouts. Oh my God, they are loaded with nutrition. I've got about a cup here. And with 1 cup, that will give you 13% of your daily dietary fiber, 10% of your vitamin B6, and 124% of vitamin C. That makes for a very, very healthy vegetable. In fact, it's got 13% of your daily fiber needs and a couple grams of protein. So this is an all-around healthy vegetable. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just cutting the ends of these Brussels sprouts off, and then I'm going to split them in half. And once they're all split in half, we're going to get ready to go to the next step. The next step is I actually boil these. Put them in a pot of water and cook them for about 12 minutes. Once they come to a boil. Once they're boiling right now, then 12 minutes in, we're going to take these things off the stove. And then once they're off the stove, we're going to go over there, take 4 cloves of garlic, a little culinary skill here that's probably not up to par, but it's better than nothing. Chop up this garlic, put a nice fine mince on that garlic, and we're going to get that ready. This recipe only has 4 ingredients in it. Garlic's one of them. So once we get that garlic done, we're going to take the al dente Brussels sprouts, pull them in a colander, and I'm going to put in about a 1/4 cup of olive oil, bring that up to heat. Once it's up to heat, put the garlic in. And then I'm going to put the Brussels sprouts in right after that. Don't want to burn that garlic. It really will make the Brussels sprouts quite bitter. I'm going to dull it up with about a tablespoon of coarse ground black pepper and about a tablespoon of just regular salt. Once all of those ingredients have been incorporated into this, I'm going to stir fry these around for a minute. Get all of the flavors infused. And once they're infused, this plate of Brussels sprouts will be ready to take to the tasting kitchen. All right, it's Glenn, the Ball Chef. You know, I watched a lot of the different people that put Brussels sprout recipes up on YouTube. A lot of guys use bacon. I've had it roasted in a restaurant a couple times. I didn't really like it because it tasted burnt. So this is the way I've always done my Brussels sprouts. It's real simple. Just olive oil, garlic, salt, pepper, and Brussels sprouts. It's simple. It's al dente. Let's give these a try and see if they're as good as I remember. Go good with meat. Perfectly cooked. And that's one of the reasons that I think a lot of people don't like Brussels sprouts is they overcook them. I only cooked these for 12 minutes on boiling water and just sauteed them in olive oil for a very short time. At any rate, subscribe to your channel. I thank all my new subscribers out there. We'll be putting up some videos. We're going to have some subscribers, so sub up to me. Appreciate it. Check me out by hitting the icon bell. And I want to thank you folks for stopping by. And as always, bon appetit.